I worked at a factory for 26 years that shut down, and I just found myself at a crossroad needing a new career change. After you've been working for so long, there are a lot of skills that you do forget. I was contacted through the Employment Service about a new program that they're starting at Gadsden State called MSSC, and this has refreshed me on a lot of skills, especially safety. Safety, I think, is the most important aspect of any work environment that you go into. And MSSC, they are very good about the safety aspect of this. Never worked with robotics in 26 years. Absolutely a new concept to me, very interesting concept. And that is another good factor about MSSC. There's a lot of robotics that we're getting to learn that's gonna help me down the road to keep up with what manufacturers want now. All the tools that we use, the digital captors, the micrometers, never had used those, so I'm learning new tools to use every day. I am not really good with computers. I never have been good with mechanics. And now just knowing that I have that extra skill set that I can grasp just a little bit more. I actually came over to the college and worked with one of the teachers. We meet in person. The instructor was great about, we actually walked through learning how to set up the scale balls. I mean, you just walk through until you got it right. The more you do it, the better off you come. Feel more confident. I know I am older. You think most employers are looking for younger people. They're looking for people with experience, knowing that that person's gonna be at work every day, coming in, doing the job that they need to have done. There's a lot of manufacturers coming here to Gadsden and Alabama area, and this is equipping students to learn about that